Alright, man, here's another one that I haven't made a video on. I've seen a handful of these in the yards, but it's been a minute since I've seen one of these. We got a 1972 Pontiac Ventura II. I think it was still called that. 72. It's an AC car. I think it's probably rolled over at least once. Dash is cracked. Steering wheel's disintegrating. You know, these rode on the X body platform. I think that they're 71. Door panels shot on that side. Actually, the headliner is not in bad shape. I don't see a rip on it. Let's step on out. You can't really see much there. I had to set that down because it was raining. That was wet. I don't know how solid she is underneath. I'm not gonna get her. It's been raining all day, and it's pretty muddy. But man, she is solid, man, for the most part. I mean, damn. I think this car didn't deserve to be in here. I mean, you clean this interior up, get it running. I bet this thing will probably run too. I'll show you in a minute. Look at that. How straight that is. I really don't think there's much. Might be some rust on there, but can't get in the trunk, man. I could have, but I forgot my screwdriver, man. Crap. Look at that. How straight that is, man. Jeez. Survived all this time. Got a dent here, though. I don't know what the heck was up with that. A little damage here. Still, though, I see two hubcaps are on that side. There's one there. This was on this window, but so you can't even see it anymore. Yep, Ventura II. Apparently, 72 Pontiac Ventura II. They wanted $16.99. Will finance or cash offer. As is, no parts. I don't know where it came from, so I don't think this car was here. It came from somewhere else. I must have sold it to this yard. She got a little damage right there. Right there. Yeah. Still, man. On the fender too, right there. On the hood. It's got some dents on it. Body work there. Let me scoot back a little bit here. I think that was a cop car. That LTD Crown Vic right there. Yeah. Let's look under the hood. Hinges work good. Like I said, AC car, man. That's worth some money right there, man. I fixed those up right there. Put that on a Firebird. Yep. Put that on a first gen Firebird. Get 69. Hell, you could even put it on a Camaro. First gen F body, those will work on there. This is a little different though. But yeah, they will work on it. Shit, I've sold them for like $500, $600, $700 after they're restored. Now, I think they sell them damn near close to $1,000, but obviously restored. But yeah, 307, man. I haven't seen one of these engines in a while. They didn't make them for very long. There it is, 72. I think they stopped when they went to 305, I think. This engine, but then I bet this engine would probably run, man. That's some dirt dollars. Yep. I might ask about that. Even though I don't really restore these AC boxes anymore like I used to. Oh, let's get a quick look at the tag here real quick. If I can. I don't know how well we can see it because it's black and. Oh yeah, I can still see it. Most of it nice. I think I got disc brakes on these, right? Well, there she is, man. Ain't gonna pull parts off it till they decide to crush it. Still though, man, straight car.